Welcome back, everybody, to the YouTube channel. So, I got Troy and Zach on their way. They're coming to pick up the purple Pro Truck and take it over to Troy's, where he's actually, he runs the Dale truck. He's building a Pro stock, and now he's gonna help us out get the purple truck ready too. So, pretty excited for that. Got a lot to do before they get here, so I got to jump off of this, get all this stuff done. As you can tell, I got the impact and the jack right there ready to go. So I got to get to work before they get here so we can get the truck loaded. I think we picked the worst day to do this. But, yeah, we're going to work on getting the modified out, getting the purple truck out as well. Got Troy and Rummer coming to pick that up. And like I said, they're going to start getting a whole bunch of welding done and getting the car ready. Why are you guys here?
I just showed up.
Oh, you showed up? What about you, Rummer?
Previous tenants were a lot cooler.
Oh.
I'm with him. You know what grinds my gears? How
What?
It's like, it was like 75, almost 80 yesterday, and it is 30 something right now. And it could be snowing. I would not be.
It's not even that cold.
Welcome to Michigan.
Oh, it's not even that bad. Meanwhile.
Check the door.
I have my emergency flannel jacket on the back seat of my truck.
Everybody panic.
You're from Michigan, guys. Emergency flannel.
Wind's blowing. Does the driver? So what's playing, Troy?
Not to freeze to death.
That's fair. That's fair. Hey, you guys ready?
Ready! Ready!
Yeah. Yeah,
You guys ready?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. It's Jamaican Bob's at that. Ooh!
Feel the rhythm! Feel the rhyme! Get on up! It's bobsled time! Cool running!
Don't run out of steam. We still gotta make it down the hill.
Oh, we are so crashing. Give her the old Chris Brown 1-2. Don't worry about that.
Ow!
What? You good? I need to know if I can keep pushing.
No shit.
Apparently. All right, halt. Woo! T good. Rummer, you good?
Minor casualties.
Yeah. Hey. But it is on.
Rummer's got a boo-boo.
Yeah, Rummer's broke.
Ah, my shins hurt.
Well, you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dane.
Oh!
Is it from the ramp?
No! That fucking fire body racing. Hit that fucking ramp. Pick out my shins.
Ouch.
I
That
didn't.
fucker's wedged in there, too. Holy shit.
My shins hurt so fucking bad right now.
Hey, I don't do workman's comp. No workman's comp cases.
You see how white that thing is?
Hang on.
Look at him, dude. Look at them calves, dude.
Oh,
Look at that calf.
What a unit.
I just touched the big man's
God
leg.
damn it! Next one that comes too.
Oh, let's go get warm. Well, Rummer, the Pro Truck's gone, dude.
Hopefully next time it comes here, she'll have big old trophy sitting on top of her.
I'm down. Or at least a trophy.
Hell, we don't know who's had it.
Points trophy something.
I had one at Great Lakes, but fucking T-Roy took it.
Yeah, fucking T-Roy.
Oh, dear, one more.
Claim on.
Hang on. Look at him hard at work.
Yeah, he's doing a great job.
Right a boy, Troy.
Good job, Troy. I'm ready to see what it's gonna do afterwards. You know what I mean?
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna pull a dirty slider on Troy.
Make a light up.
Rip the nose off the Dale truck.
We gotta have multiple cameras.
I know.
So I can watch you and call you out on your BS.
God, we're gonna have to get like at least 10 GoPros or something for this upcoming season.
Should have checked out.
Yeah, I tried lifting.
Brandon, we're in the pits.
Hitting you in the pits. Yeah. That was a good time.
Those are the best, worst ramp design ever.
Best worst.
Yeah, just remember when you go to pulling next to a bunch of fancy trailers that you pull those out before you park in between the trailers.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can't
You're
pull
gonna
out the
be
ramps.
upset with life when you're like, ah, crap, now I'm gonna move the trailer.
One down. Never want to go.
Progress, bud.
Progress, but
Slowly but surely. We will make the truck class great again.
Dude, we're going trucking.
you're barely trucking.
Totally trucking.
Just chucking around.
Yeah.
To the front.
God, there she goes.
Holy crap. Whoa. Oh my god. Glad there ain't no motor and train in there.
Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Especially if you want to stay tuned on the progress of the purple truck. We plan on getting a lot more video of the progress of that. And obviously we got Troy also working on his pro stock. So hopefully we can get a bunch of footage of that as well.